Okay, we're told that a population in millions is specified by the function p of t, and that we're given these two values right here. When t is 9, the population is 17 million. When p is 16, the population is 25 million. This little table here represents that. We'll look over here a little bit later. But we're told that the function p of t is in the form a b to the t, and so we're going to plug these values into that function to see if we can solve for a and b. So when t is 16, p is 25. When t is 9, p is 17. Now we could solve one of these equations for a and substitute it into the other one, but when you have a situation like this, you can also do a division. If you divide this equation by the one below it, the a's cancel out, and you've got 25/17 equals b to the 7th. So b is the 7th root of 25/17, which that's what this is right here. Looks like 1.0566 rounded to the 4 decimal places. Now, how do we find a? Well, we plug the value we just found for b into one of these two equations and solve for a. So here's a, b to the 9th equals 17. This is the b that we just found. If we use power of a power and multiply these exponents, we get 25/17 to the 9/7. Then divide both sides by that expression or that value, and we get a equals this. We could simplify that, but here's the decimal representation. So that's actually the initial population in millions, 10.3539 million. Okay, and this graph kind of illustrates that. Here, when t is 9, population is 17 million. When t is 16, 25 million. So that's your answer to this first part right here. Now, how do you find the value for k to write it in this form? Well, what you want to rely on is the fact that e to the natural log of anything is equal to the anything. So this 1.0566 right here, which is the value of b, I'm going to replace with e to the ln of b. And there that is right there. Now, if you want to, you can think I'm going to multiply these two exponents and get this kt or tk. Okay, and there's the value of the natural log of b, 0.0551. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, go ahead and post a comment.